Ki khubor ka bate se TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Bo, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
About
Bernard and Marak Ubadu Chairman Badam Jang Seng Atir Acik National Volunteer Council Bela penduk pendam berulang mentau MDC Janggatura Constituency Uluang Bakam dan Setia Kanu-Kanu Jing Pin Ki Imbiang Yang Sengking Atir Hari Luam Garo Hau kerwa bola kerending baga video yang kepala pha sigilar patai kubor hakikat sautri urempang arah jara pausan umarak uluang bakla datang gejing Bitar baga jing Dkhot sim jadi Dkhot ki Sengking Atir bela Pyndem white ni ki Seng Lehnoh repair namar bahaduk menta ke Sorkar kampat penurlong Setia yang jing dawa bak digi song jing yarab kumladap Kular hadim bela Pyndem white hakmat ke Sorkar.
About regrouping of GNLA, I have nothing to say because I have no information as such. But I can only say that all those who have joined the mainstream from the militancy background, be it GNLA, NBC, NBCB and others, most have not got the rehabilitation package. The rehabilitation package which was assured to them is still pending to most of the cadres, and the livelihood program and the assistance which was assured to them when they joined the mainstream has not been followed up by the government, and they may not be rise in the militancy, but there is a dissatisfaction, there is a discontentment, there is a doubt, and there is a struggle among the former cadres of this different militant organization. So I request the government to take care of the youths, especially those who have been assured to give a better life, to give financial assistance for their livelihood. They should be taken care of so that such rumors are not materialized, and that those who have given up arms and those who have joined the mainstream should have a better life and should have complete support from the government. Thank you.